Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, April the 6th. I'm James Spann. Showers around during the day today, active thunderstorms tonight, and a cold, raw day tomorrow as the weekend begins, and a freeze Sunday morning. How about that? Let's check it out. Upper air look early this morning. Cold vortex sitting over eastern Canada. That'll push down a surge of cold air down this way tomorrow. Look at that. We've got some rain early in the day, a little ahead of schedule here. Showers at 5:06 over a pretty decent part of the northern half of the state. But the heavier storms will come tonight. No freezing issues this morning. Fort Payne down to 39, but Birmingham sitting at 51. Good chance we see highs up in the 70s today. But up north, it is very cold over the high plains, and we'll catch some of that air tomorrow. It's going to feel like the middle of winter. There's a watch warning map. The area is in light blue across Alabama. That is a freeze watch for Sunday morning. A good chance we go below freezing again. Freeze warnings in effect for parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri. Winter storm warnings for parts of Nebraska, Wyoming, and Montana. And again, that map looking more like winter instead of spring. Now, this looks like spring. A chance of severe storms tonight. We have an enhanced risk of severe storms from near Tyler and Longview, Texas, over to Shreveport, Monroe, and Jackson. The tornado probabilities are higher within that enhanced risk, that 5% circle. Here's the Alabama look. We've got the standard slight risk, basically west of a line from near Tuscaloosa down to Thomaston and the northern tip of Baldwin County. A marginal risk is far east as Pelt City and Talladega and Troy. We'll take a look at the specifics on this in a moment. And then again, we should mention this runs through 7 a.m. tomorrow. After 7 a.m. tomorrow, a marginal risk for the Gulf Coast, the standard risk over in parts of North Florida and South Georgia. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Again, the southeastern states looking pretty wet. This is valid through Friday morning of next week. Interesting little donut hole across our part of the state, but most locations getting over 1 inch. So let's talk about it. This is the 06C GFS at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars. Very cold look for eastern Canada. Trough digging southward, now below that. Maybe showers. Clearly, we got a chance of showers today because it's raining now. But the more organized activity will be west of the state during the day. But let's go through tonight based on the high-res NAM. At 7 o'clock Central Time, heavier storms west of the state. Mississippi back into northeast Louisiana. This is 10 o'clock tonight. Rain coming on through Birmingham and Tuscaloosa, not looking that impressive. 1 a.m., that initial batch of rain weakening down to the south. Newer storms forming off to the west. And this is 7 a.m., and that looks pretty wet. So as we start the day tomorrow, it looks like rain could be falling over much of the state. But again, the severe weather parameters just not looking that impressive here. And this is the main limiting factor. This is 9 o'clock tonight, the surface-based Cape, and there's just not any for the northern half of the state. And basically, the better instability stays down in South Alabama through tomorrow. So it sure looks like the better chance of any strong to severe storms over the southern half of the state. But as always, we'll keep an eye on radar trends. But this is the big story for tomorrow. Look at these numbers. Wow. This is 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We're seeing some 30s over North Alabama based on the NAM and low 40s for Birmingham. So we might start the day with rain and temperatures around 60. We fall through the 50s, winding up in the 40s, a strong north wind, clouds, maybe a touch of light rain or drizzle. Going to be a very raw, cold day tomorrow. All right, let's go to Sunday. Sunday morning will be clear, and that's when we should drop to the freezing mark. Lows should be in the low 30s. Colder pockets could see upper 20s. The sky will be sunny on Sunday. The high will be in the 60s. That's the day you want to get outside and do something of the 2 days, clearly. Go to Monday of next week, and again, we'll mention some chance of showers, but the GFS continues to look fairly dry. The high should be in the low 70s. Now, it looks like a batch of rain will come through here maybe Monday night or Tuesday. This is Tuesday at midday. And then Wednesday, another surge of colder air, and that could push us down in the 30s Wednesday morning. Maybe some frost, and more than likely, that'll be the last threat of the season on a widespread basis. I don't think we see a freeze based on the latest data, but frost a possibility. The day will be sunny, and this is Thursday, mostly sunny, and we go up in the 70s, maybe upper 70s. And a week from today, Friday the 13th, trough coming out across the plains. We'll have to watch for severe weather if this verifies for places like St. Louis and Kansas City and Fort Smith, but more than likely that weakens by the time it reaches us. But again, this is a week out. This could change. This is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, the 15th, troughing still to the west. That looks dry and mild. Here are the numbers. Again, Sunday morning, this is the European ensemble. It's got us down to 32. And again, tomorrow, that high of 56, that'll be early in the day. We're going to be in the 40s much of the day. It's a raw, cold day. Note Wednesday morning of next week, it's got us at 37 with a chance of some frost. And then after that, temperatures finally kind of go back to seasonal levels for this time of the year. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.